Welcome to Always Tech Buddy. This is Suresh. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the computer work faster. Please do not skip this video. Please follow all the process one by one so that your computer will work very faster. Let us go to the video. Right click on the Windows button or the Start button and click on the Run menu. Here, type sysdm.cpl, then click on OK. It'll open a new window, say System Properties. Please click on Advanced tab and under the Performance, click on Settings. You can see performance options. Under Visual Effects, you can see a lot of options. There you can see Adjust for Best Performance. Click on it and click on Apply and click on OK and OK and close that window. And one small note, before doing any changes, please create a system restore point on your computer. If you don't know how to create a system restore point, please click on the tag on the top of the window. And now right click on the Start menu and click on Run and type the same command sysdm.cpl and click on OK. It'll open the System Properties window. Click on the Advanced tab and click on the Settings button under the Performance. You'll see a new window here. Click on Advanced. Now you can see Adjust for Best Performance. You have to select the option Programs. If the background services is selected, change that to Programs. Then under the Virtual Memory window, please click on Change. Here, the automatically manage paging file size for all drives. If that option is selected, uncheck it. Then click on Custom Size. Here, you have to type in the recommended size. In my computer, the recommended size is 2935. I typed in 2935 and then the maximum size should be multiplied by 3. So 2935 multiplied by 3 is 8805. So please do it accordingly to the recommended size which is showing on your computer. Then click on Set, OK, and restart the computer. Now we are going to remove all the unwanted junk files and junk entries from the computer. In order to do that, please right click on the Start menu and click on Run. Here type CLEANMGR, CLEANMGR, then click on OK. You can see this window. Here click on OK. It'll calculate the file and it'll open this window. You can see a lot of temporary files here, but if you want to do a deep cleaning, you have to click on Clean Up System Files. Once you click on it, here it will show you the C drive. Click on OK again. It will again calculate and then it will give you the list of files here. On this window, you have to leave this recycle bin and thumbnail. A lot of people will delete the files and some important files it will be on the recycle bin, so you can remove it manually later. And thumbnails and Windows will create images of the files that you have on the computer, so it is not recommended to remove the thumbnails. And apart from that, you can remove everything. And if you see anything says Windows ESD installation and previous version of Windows installation, if you see anything like that, don't remove it. At times when we do factory restore, those files will be needed. So rest of the files you can remove everything, and that's it. You can just click on OK and it will remove all the unwanted files. Now we are going to see how to remove the temporary and junk files from your computer. Please right click on the Start menu and click on Run. Here you can see a small run window. Please type If you see anything there, please remove it and then type TEMP. Then click on OK. You will see a new window. Here you can see a lot of files. I just now did a cleanup, so there are not a lot of files. Just select all the files, and by control and clicking A, select all the files. Then hold the select button and press the delete button and click on yes and remove all the files. If you see any message like this, select this option. Do not do this for all current items and click on skip. And if you just click on delete on the files, these files will be going to your recycle bin, and you have to again remove it from the recycle bin. In order to avoid that, if you hold the shift and press the delete button, it will be removed temporarily. It's just a note. Now click on the Windows button and click on run, and here type in %temp percentage and click on OK. You will see a lot of files here. Follow the same process. Hold the Control and A so that it will select all the files. Then hold the Shift button and press the delete button. It will remove all the files. Just click on yes and select this option and click on skip. Some files will not be removed, as I said. Close this window and right click on the Windows button and press the the run menu, and here just type in prefetch, PREFETCH, then click on OK. Now you can see a lot of files here, and hold the control button and press the letter A, select all, and hold the shift button and press the delete button to remove it permanently. Click on yes. Some files will not be removed, so just click on this option and click on skip, and now close this window. Now all of the temporary files are removed from your computer. Now we are going to see how to make our browsing experience faster. And I use two browsers. One is Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. And first I'm going to show you in Microsoft Edge. Click on Microsoft Edge, and on the right hand side top you can see the three dots. Click on it and click on settings, and here on the left hand side bottom you can see reset settings. Click on it and restore settings to their default values. Click on it and click on reset, and this will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine and pin tab. It will also turn off all your extension and clear temporary data like cookies. Your favorites or bookmarks, history and saved password will not be cleared. Let us proceed with the reset. I'm clicking on reset and the reset is done, and it might take some time. It depends on your computer. Let us close the Microsoft Edge. Let us go to Google Chrome, and I have opened Google Chrome. On the right hand side top you have to click on these three dots and click on settings, and then click on reset settings on the left hand side bottom, and it'll show you restore settings to their original defaults. Click on it. As I said, it'll not remove your password. It'll just disable the extension, Chrome shortcuts and cookies and another temporary data, and click on reset settings. It's reset. The reset is done, and please don't worry, the password will be there. You may have to, it will say as paused. If you click on it, if you click on sign in again, and all the bookmarks, everything will be back to your browser. Thank you. Now we are going to run a system scan to fix any damaged Windows files. In order to do that, right click on the start menu and click on the run button, and here type in PowerShell, or let me cancel this. Right click on the Windows button, and do you see here Windows PowerShell admin? On some computers it will say as terminal, sorry, and click on that option. It'll give you the user account control. Click on yes, and you can see this window. Here, just type in cd slash and click on hit enter. It'll go to the C drive. Here, just type in sfc slash scan now. Let me repeat it. sfc space slash scan now. Just hit enter and it'll run a system scan on your computer. This scan will scan the Windows files, and if there is any problem inside the Windows files, it'll fix it. And I would recommend you to run this scan at least once in a month. Let us wait for the scan to complete. The scan is going to be completed almost any time. It's around 100%. It is completed. It should say as Windows Resource Protection found correct files and successfully repaired them. And if it says like that, the scan has been completed properly. Click on exit and close this window. If you have any doubts or questions, please comment it, and I will be happy to explain about it. And please do subscribe and like and share to my channel so that it'll be very encouraging for me to do more videos like this. Okay, we have come to the last step of making the computer work faster, and that is Windows Update. Windows updates are very critical, and it is not only update your drivers, and it has a lot of security enhancement features, and they will do the bug fixes on the Windows Update as well. So in order to run the Windows Update, please click on the Start menu or the Windows button and click on Settings. Here you can see Update and Settings. Click on it. There you can see Windows Update, and if you see any update, download and install it. And if you see any optional update, click on it and install it as well. One note, while clicking on the optional update, if you see any update which is regarding to your printer, please uncheck those update and install rest of the updates, because at times in my experience I found that if there is any printer update is there, and if you install that update, the printer might not work. So it is better safe than sorry. Please try to avoid that. Don't install any Windows update for printers which comes under Windows Update. That is what I'm trying to say. Install all the updates. And one more thing, once you install all the updates, please do restart the computer 2 or 3 times so that all the updates will be installed in your computer. This comes from my experience. And after that, pause the updates for 7 days. So when you have time at that on weekend, or when you have free time at the time, you can resume those updates, and so that the computer will not download updates when you're doing work, which in turn will make your computer work slower. Thank you.